Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency within the Shein app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then use your credentials within the sign in page in order to log in. Once you have been logged into your account, you will see the various different items that you can buy within the Shein app. Now, if you wish to change the currency for your account, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right, which will take you into the settings page. From the settings page, you will find currency underneath the language option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you can choose from the various different currencies that are available within the Shein app. You can tap on your preferred currency and this will change your interface and your currency settings to that currency right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency within the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.